Hi friends, here's an easy recipe for vegan fish fingers. Not only is it crispy and yummy, it is super easy to prepare. With the unbelievable taste of real fish fingers that you can easily prepare at home, you'll never have to look for vegan fish fingers again. For this recipe, I'm using Fish-style Fillets. You may use any brand of vegan or vegetarian fish fillet. These fish fillets are made from soya and wheat protein and have a fish-style flavor. They don't need to be thawed and can be cooked straight away according to the instructions on the packet. Check the cooking instructions on your packet as a reference. There are 4 pieces of fillet here. We can cut them into strips suitable for fish fingers. I am cutting each piece into 4 long strips. Now let's prepare the batter for coating the fish fingers. Put together 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Let's also add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon rice flour, and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Now add 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients. You can use less and even omit the chili powder for a less spicy version. And add 2 to 3 tablespoons water to get a thick paste for coating. Now drop the fish fillet strips into the batter. Coat each strip evenly. Take care not to break the strips. We will cover the battered strips and leave aside to marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. Prepare about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Coat the battered strips with the breadcrumbs. Now we are ready to fry the fish fingers. Heat up some oil for either deep frying or pan frying. Drop the fish fingers into the oil, a few at a time. Flip over to fry all the sides evenly. This should take about 5 minutes as the fish fillets are pre-cooked. We just need to fry until we get a crispy outer layer. These fish fingers can also be baked in the oven or air fried. Now we can remove the fish fingers from the oil and allow excess oil to be absorbed on paper towels. There we have it, some delicious vegan vegetarian fish fingers that are ready in minutes. They are very crispy and fragrant from the spices we have used. Serve them with tomato ketchup chili sauce or tartar sauce for a lip-smacking taste. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do give this recipe a try. You will surely love these delicious fish fingers. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!